I am often asked this question, why are there two slots in the isolator? So let me help you understand the same thing here. I'm working on the fourth quadrant, so I slip in the tongue deflector of the fourth quadrant in. I have the patient bite down, open please, bite down and gently push your tongue through here. Perfect. Now as the patient pushes the tongue through, you can realize that there is a lot of lingual soft tissue that is present over the occlusal surface, which means I don't have complete isolation in this particular area. So what I do now is, open please, remove this out, pull this and press this into the lower slot, and then position this into the patient's mouth again. Bite down. Good. And just push your tongue through here. Perfect. And now you can see that entire area is beautifully isolated. There is no lingual soft tissue that is interfering in that region. In case I need more lingual isolation, all I do is I push the tongue deflector further. So let's see that. Open slightly. I am pushing the tongue deflector further. Alright, this gives more room to work on this side. So just bite down please and push your tongue through here. Perfect. Here you can see beautiful isolation of the fourth quadrant without any lingual mucosa, because the isolator has two different blocks, and now that I have placed it in the lower block, it deflects the tongue and depresses it further.